I remember a certain Fuji musician, I'll not mention him, Prof. A certain Fuji musician at a lecture took the mic and asked the Alfas, this music I am singing, please, what does the Sharia say about it? Fa inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. Prof, can you imagine that the Alfas who were present could not tell him the truth? He asked for nasiha. The Prophet said, Hakul Muslim ala al-Muslim sittun abi wa idha stansahaka fansah lahu. If a Muslim seeks your advice, advise him. This man, only Allah knows his intention. Maybe he had also realized that the rubbish nonsense they are doing is haram. Maybe he had it somewhere and he wanted to leave it. He asked Alfas, àwọn tí wọ́n máa lè ganu sóde, àwọn alátẹnujẹ́, they could not tell him the truth. What is khair in somebody singing with female dancers? What is khair? This person knows. Alfas could not tell him. So if we all abandon advice, nasiha in community, people will normalize things. It's normal. Kò sí aburú kankan bẹ́ẹ̀ now. Káwọn ṣe lọ now. Almighty Allah says, لُعِنَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا مِنْ بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ عَلَى لِسَانِ دَاوُدَ وَعِيسَى بْنُ مَرْيَمَ. The Jews were cursed by Almighty Allah through Prophet Dawood and Isa ibn Maryam. Why were they cursed? Because ذَلِكَ بِمَا عَصَوْا وَكَانُوا يَعْتَدُونَ كَانُوا لَا يَتَنَاهَوْنَ عَن مُنكَرٍ فَعَلُوهُ. When they see people doing wrong, they do not correct them. It now led to normalization of sins in community. So it is dangerous. It is dangerous. Muhammad Bundar al-Jurjani said, one day, قلت لأحمد, I said to Imam Ahmad that إني لا يشك علي أن أقول فلان ضعيف فلان كذاب. It is very difficult for me. He is a scholar of hadith who said إني لا يشك علي. It is very difficult for me أن أقول فلان ضعيف فلان كذاب, to say so and so is a weak narrator of hadith, so and so is a liar. Imam Ahmad now responded to him. He said, إذا سكت أنت وسكت أنا فمتى يعرف الجاهل الصحيح من السقيم. If you kept quiet and I also kept quiet, when will the ignorant person know the difference between the authentic hadith and the weak hadith? So the point here is, if you keep quiet, Amir, you didn't do nasiha, and I keep quiet, when will those who are ignorant in society know what is right and what is wrong? If every one of us decided to keep quiet, Kokami, the society will be destroyed. People will normalize sins.